Subscribe to ItsfunmissMaia if you got scared. Do you guys remember this tie-dye t-shirt that I made from last video? If I could get 2 subscribers at least for this video, I'll make another. And today we are going to be making banana muffins. We have bananas, cupcake papers, and this is cupcake papers, baking mix, and this is chocolate chip cupcake papers. So here's the instructions. Cook 10 minutes, cook 20 to 25 minutes. Minutes make 12 muffins. The ingredients are 3 cups of Edmund sweet muffin mix, it's this, and 3 eggs, these, and a cup of vegetable oil, this, a cup of cold water. Let's get cooking. This is the last one going in because we don't have a proper measuring cup. We're using this one. We're cracking in number 2.
Let's go in there.
Yeah, make sure no shells go in. Yeah, I'm just filling these bananas and putting them in the bowl and mashing them up. Because that's what it says. Mash, mash, mash. Now I'm about to mix the eggs in the baking mix. Look at all this that got stuck.
What?
Adding oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. I'm gonna add some water because it's still stuck. I am mixing it. It's good. So yeah, it's all coming out now. I'm adding the bananas now. I'm mixing the bananas. We have mixed it well, and now I'm adding the last ingredient, is my favorite, chocolate chip. I'm just gonna give it a taste and see if it tastes nice.
With a clean spoon.
With a clean spoon.
Too much, babe. Jesus.
The batter mix tastes amazing. What we're doing now is we're gonna line the tray with these. We have to clean the oven, I'll do that. Look at this.
The
It's all
smoke.
smoky. It smells good. While we wait for all the smoke to get out, we're just gonna put some batter in these to make the muffins. Then we're gonna leave them to show Tash. So I'm gonna scoop some up like this. I'm finished putting them in the bit, and now it's the last bit here for this one. Finished! You have to clean up, which is the most important part. I have to because my dad said. I've preheated the oven to 170, and Dad's going to help me put this in the oven. It's going into 20 to 25 minutes. It's burning my face! We've set the timer for 20 minutes. See you when it's done. Hope it's yummy. I'm just grabbing the muffins now. Make sure you're careful because you need an adult supervising you because they're hot.
Hot.
I'm going to take one out now. You can tell that they're properly cooked if they're brown on the top.
You want to try it now, or do you want to let it cool down?
Try it now. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna take Mum a coffee and see if she likes it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Dad, helping me and supervising me. And I'm going to show my little sister how to make them soup. My goodness, this is delicious. I can't even stop eating it. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm making muffins.
Yay.
What our big sister just did. Okay. So now we have these spoons. Scoop a little bit up. See you in 20 minutes when it's done. How she is having a muffin.
Bye-bye, Pep.
Bye.